tell us what's on the table.
All right, Tony, I've got something for you that's going to blow away your mind. I'm sure that...
Please prepare them up.
All right. Yeah. So I have two products, all right? So I have this product here called the Tap,
okay.
all right?
Tap.
The Tap,
yeah.
All right? Now, I'm not going to bore you with the model numbers and other things, but the thing is, everyone uses smartphones, tablets these days, right?
Correct. Yeah.
Now, let's say that you have a smartphone, you have a tablet, and you have a monitor, and you're in your home, and you have to switch between all these three devices, all right?
Okay.
So what this Tap allows you to do is, it allows you to connect a keyboard to your monitor,
okay.
And then what the keyboard does, it becomes the Bluetooth connection to your tablet and your phone, and using that keyboard, you can just control all your devices. So you don't need to type anything on the, you don't need to actually touch the phone or the tablet or anything. You just use your keyboard.
To select the device that you want to write
exactly.
on.
Or you can select the apps,
yeah.
All right? And let's say once you're done on the phone, you want to go back to your monitor.
Yeah.
You just go back and keep working.
I see. So the monitor could be connected to a CPU.
Yes,
you could be working on your, you could be on your
Word file or something.
On a workstation.
Yeah.
But then a message comes in on your phone, and then you can address that message, reply to it using your keyboard.
Exactly.
That's fantastic. So which one is the Tap? Is it actually the Cradle?
That's the docking station that's
the docking
here.
Station, right?
I can just show it to you.
Okay.
Okay. So what you do is you just put your tablet or your phone on this like this.
Okay. So you need one Cradle, one Tap for each device.
No,
a tablet.
no, it's not necessary. So if you don't have a Cradle, because it works on the Bluetooth technology. All right. So what is happening is it is getting paired with your tablet or your phone using Bluetooth.
I see. Okay. And of course, it just provides a convenient stand for your device.
Right.
So you don't necessarily have to put it on the Cradle.
No.
Not at all. Okay. So how many devices can you connect to it?
3, a maximum of 3.
Up to 3 devices.
Yeah. And it can be a mix and match. It could be like 3 phones or 3 tablets or 3 monitors. So you can mix and match.
Of course, when you say mix or match, does it mean that you can use an iOS device and an Android device as well?
A very good question. So currently what we have is we have support for the iOS platform. We have support for the Android platform. And if someone is still using BlackBerry,
I wish you didn't have to say that. Anyway.
Sorry,
and,
the BlackBerry
and of course,
guys.
we had our guest from Microsoft. What about Windows phones?
Windows Phone, it's coming up by the year end.
So support for Windows phones also coming up by the year end.
The software is getting developed.
So why did you come up with this particular device? As you said, there are so many devices that are coming up, but people really have a difficult time managing their devices?
No, the main problem is when you're working at home, let's say you're sitting on your desk and a message comes up, or let's say it's a really nagging girlfriend or a wife keeps messaging you.
I hope that's not your problem.
No, not at all. All right. And you have to go to your tablet phone or your tablet to just type the messages again and again. So when you have the convenience of a keyboard at your hand, you just type the message and go back to your work.
Okay. The phone is on, so it's connected now, I suppose,
yes,
to the Tap. Can you show me how it works? So right now we've got a monitor on, we've got a laptop on, and the smartphone.
All right. So the laptop is not connected. Now what is connected is this monitor and
the smartphone.
And the smartphone.
All right.
All right. So what I've done is now the focus is on this phone.
Yes.
Okay. So what I do is I press Alt F1.
Alt F1.
All right. So what is happening is now I have the connection here on this monitor.
On the monitor.
So I just type whatever I want to.
There you go.
All right. Let's say I get a message.
I'll get you a message on phone.
All right. So what I do, I tap Alt F2.
Okay.
The focus comes here. I move my mouse here and I type.
Fantastic.
And what it does is you can also select the apps using the mouse. So, I mean, you don't have to touch the phone at all.
Yeah. Okay. So, and the mouse is connected to the Tap itself.
The Tap
itself. To the Cradle.
Yes.
As well as the monitor.
Exactly.
Okay, so up to 3 devices.
Yep.
All right, fantastic. Now, why is there a video camera on the table?
Very good question. So that brings me to my second device. That is the wireless extender. Okay.
A wireless extender.
Okay. A 5x2 wireless extender. So imagine this now, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So you're sitting at your home, okay, at night, and you're watching television. Okay. And the television is in your living room. So let's assume that this television is in your living room. And let's say you're watching, how should I put it? Let's say a Manny Pacquiao boxing match. All right. And suddenly your wife comes and she says that, I want to watch my favorite family drama.
Okay.
Okay. And what you do is, the set-top box is only one, all right? And you tell her, go to your bedroom. There is a television there. You can watch whatever is there.
How do you do that?
So what this device here does is, I connect 5 sources to this device. Okay. 4 HDMI and 1 component.
Okay.
All right. So this device is connected to 5 sources, and 1 output is connected to this box.
Okay.
Okay. Now the other box
Here,
is
beside
right
me.
there. Okay. The small. Do you see the small teeny weeny white box?
Yes.
Okay. That's the receiver side, and that is connected to your other monitor.
Okay.
So imagine this is your living room television, and that's your bedroom television.
All right.
All right. So let's say one of the sources is a set-top box. So the set-top box plays here, and the other source, let's say, it's a DVD player. The DVD player plays there, and the connection between that box and this box is wireless.
Okay.
And it supports set-top boxes. It
Okay.
supports what do you call it? The PlayStations.
So you don't
the
necessarily
Xbox.
have to have the DVD player in the other room
No.
for that monitor.
No.
It could be playing in the living room,
Exactly.
but streaming the video to your bedroom
Exactly.
monitor. Ah, okay. But wait a minute. The camera's on, and what is actually showing now are your legs.
Sorry for that. I'll show the remote now. So what I have here, I have a remote control.
remote, yeah.
So what I can do is I can switch between different sources.
All right.
Okay, so I'm sitting here. Let's say I'm sitting in my living room.
Yeah.
So what I do is I select HDMI 2 or the source 2.
So you've got an on-screen menu as well.
Yeah. So it changes to what? It's there, not this one.
Okay. Yeah, okay. So it actually moved over to the laptop screen.
Wait just a second.
Okay.
It's moving.
Oh, there you go. Ah, okay. So it takes time to actually detect it. It's supposed to be, yeah, it's sending it wirelessly
Yes, it is.
to the target monitor.
Monitor, exactly.
Oh, okay.
And the
Is there a
maximum
distance? Yeah,
30 meters. I'm coming to that. 30
Yeah.
meters.
30 meters. Okay.
So you can imagine a 2-storied bungalow. So
Yeah.
let's say your living room is in the first floor and
Yeah.
the bedroom is on the second floor. And there are 2 televisions there.
And this is, of course, streaming it via a Wi-Fi.
Wireless.
Wireless.
That's the main thing. So we need to have a very clear distinction between
Wireless
wireless,
and
and
Wi-Fi. Okay.
So it doesn't need any access point or anything.
Yeah. So there's of course, a frequency that it transmits on.
Yes. It's around 350 megahertz.
350 megahertz.
Yes.
So it won't pose any interference with any other device in the house?
No.
So like cordless phones or
Not at all.
somebody's pacemaker?
No.
Okay. Are these devices out on the market?
Yes. Both these devices, they are readily available.
They're ready.
And they are unique to our company. There is
Okay.
no other device. Oh, there goes
There's
the
a
fly.
wireless fly
Yes.
also hovering in the studio.
And
So they're
sucking my
also
blood.
unique, you say, to ATEN because no other company
No
sells
other
a
company
similar
has
device.
it. Yep.
All right. And any price points on these devices?
All right. So this tap here, okay, I'll tell you the local price.
Yeah.
It's around 3,000 pesos.
Okay, not so bad. Yeah.
Okay. And that device there, it retails for around below 25,000 pesos. Now the thing is because
Ooh, that's kind of steep, bro.
So because the thing is, it connects 5 sources. Okay.
Yeah.
Now I have another variant of this product,
Yeah.
wherein you can connect 2 sources instead
And-
of 5 sources, and the price point on that is somewhere below 20,000 pesos.
Okay. Wow, that's still pretty steep. I mean, for a lot of households.
But not for you.
Well, not really. I don't have that many TVs, so I can only watch one. All right. Well, thank you very much, Karthik, for
No
coming
problem
over
at
to
all.
the
My
show
pleasure.
and for giving us a demonstration of the connectivity
Can I
solution.
just say a very small thing?
Sure.
All right. So all the viewers
Yeah.
in the Philippines, if they are interested in this product, we have an authorized distributor in the Philippines called Fil-Nippon.
Ah, you have a distributor.
Yeah,
Okay.
Fil-Nippon.
Yeah.
And what you can do is you can just go to the ATEN Philippines Facebook page
Yeah.
to get more details about the distributor and also about ATEN products.
Fantastic. I'm pretty sure they'll be interested in a lot of these features because, as you all know, you got to manage some of your devices every now and then.
Exactly.